Hey everyone, I'm with Stuff and Design Studios, and today we will be looking at their latest collection, the All About You wig. Okay, here's the user guide. And let's open her up. Oh my goodness, look at this color. This is in the color Vanilla Latte, and she is so radiant and cute and creamy. Oh my goodness. She's gonna match any complexion. She's gonna add so much warmth to your look, and she is cute. This just reminds me of the comfort of drinking a latte at home. This is so adorable. I love it. Okay, I'm sure you're curious how she looks on. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at that bounce and movement. She is so pretty, don't you think? The wig comes down to her chin and it really frames her face so beautifully. This is so elegant yet bouncy and airy, and she just has so much fun movement in her. I love her. This wig also is made with a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when creating a wig that is so seamless that it looks like it's your real hair. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual strands hand tied to a sheer lace material. As you can see, the lace material is virtually undetectable against your own skin tone and creates such a seamless, natural hairline. The monofilament part adds just one more layer of realism to your wig. This involves hand knotting each individual strand onto a sheer, fine material, creating such a natural looking scalp. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the handmade monofilament part, you get a wig that's not only versatile in styling options, but looks like it's your real hair. As you can see, she is perfect for any occasion. She really is so cute with the face framing pieces and the waves, and she's so bouncy and airy. I highly recommend the All About You wig.